Hey everyone, it's Stiles, and this is a nice calm practice. So often when we're moving in yoga or in anything else we're doing, we're moving quickly through a lot of things, trying to essentially get a lot done. And when we have opportunities for stillness or when we're asked to hold something, the tension, the rigidity, and all the stress creeps in really quickly. So this is a nice practice to hold positions and to find stillness in wherever we are, but also have that nice quality of life where there's action happening in the stillness. So the inhale is still lifting and moving us up quite a bit, emotionally, physically, all of that. And the exhale is releasing and moving us quite along for the ride. All right, let's give it a go. All right, we'll start standing here nice and tall. You step your feet a little bit apart here, so you have a nice stable base. Put a little bend in your knees. Simply allowing yourself to be right here. Take a big inhale, lift everything up. And easy roll up and over your legs here. Drop your head and neck. Soften your knees, plant your palms. You just crawl your way on back toward your down dog. Take your time. And we'll spend a little bit of time here in down dog, maybe a little bit more than usual. But if your habit is in yoga or anything else at all to acquire rigidity or to even clench all of your muscles here, see if you can let that go a bit. See what happens if you simply let yourself be where you need to be, right here, right now. Only doing what you have to do to simply allow yourself to be in this place. And softening a bit here. So easy bend in your knees, easy bend in your elbows. Letting your breath move you so the inhale lifts you up just a bit. Expanding, and the exhale, softening. Just like you'd drop a rock into a pond, just watching the ripples roll out one by one, nice circles. And watching them disappear one by one, leaving you with a nice, clear, calm lake, appearing fresh and still and new. Nice. All right, lean toward your left side, big, and now pull the right leg all the way up and back here. Down dog split, roll everything open. We'll slide this foot right on through between your hands for a low lunge. Lean left. As you slide the foot through, you can always pick up that right hand as well. Right, we'll come in toward a warrior one, so spin your back heel down. So both feet on the ground there. Push down through your legs, big, and out to lift everything up. And then easy sink in toward your warrior one. Take your time to get settled here. Easy bend in that back knee. Roll through your hips a bit to find a good place. And we'll breathe here for just a bit. So again, in a warrior one where you need a bit of effort to be here, just see how much of that effort you can drop by using your breath. Don't be a martyr. Let your breath support you. Big inhale to lift. Easy soften. Relax. A couple more of these. Big inhale to lift. Easy soften. Release. And big inhale to lift. Easy soften. Release. Twice more, just on your own. And on your exhale, soften back down here. Lean toward your left side. Crawl back toward your down dog. Settle in. And we'll hang here for a little while. So it's not really holding what we're doing. Holding gives this idea that there's no life happening. You're just kind of in limbo waiting. See if you can be where you are with letting your breath be involved so you're still alive. Just as if you were moving through a flow. So again, no need to engage anything that you don't need to engage. Let yourself breathe right here. All right, other side, lean toward your right, big, and now pull your left leg way up and back, down dog split, roll it open. Lean toward your right as you slide this left foot right on through. Again, you can even pick that left hand up, give yourself space. Ground your back heel down. Nice supporting there, push down big, and how to lift up. And sink toward this warrior one. Ease in that back knee, little roll through your hips to find a good place. And then leave yourself alone. This time I'll let you go without the jabber from me. So just let yourself experience here with your breath. Nice. And as you exhale, soften down, lean toward this right hand. Lean all the way toward that whole right side and crawl your way back toward your down dog. Settling in. Crawl up toward the top of your space there, shifting your hips a bit side to side, sliding a foot and a hand as you go. Easy bear crawl. Drop up and over your legs. Let everything go. Roll everything up towards standing. Take a big inhale to stretch up. And easy roll up and over your legs. Crawl your hands out a bit. Lean some weight in toward your arms. And we'll sink into a gentle squat here. And come on down to sit on your hips a bit. We'll go for an easy forward bend. So maybe feet together, or open, or out a bit. Whatever feels good for you right now. Lean back a bit. Big inhale to stretch open. And easy all the way up and over your legs. And again, we'll breathe here for just a bit. Try not to hold any extra tension anywhere in your body. You're in the place where you're in, and just let your breath take over here. So just like a tree is movable by the breeze, it's simply responding to the breeze. A tree isn't preemptively moving itself as the breeze comes near, just like we do often in our lives. Anticipate things. The tree is simply responding to the breeze. So let yourself respond to your breath. So when you get into that responding mode, you'll start to notice your breath begins, and then your body follows. And then your exhale begins, and your body follows. So there's this really neat delay that happens, just like as if you were pulling up a parachute and then running under, and watching it hover at the top before it comes down. You miss all that good stuff if you're anticipating or even just moving directly in sync with the breath. So see what happens if you let yourself really just respond there. And when you're ready, bring yourself all the way back up. We'll sit in an easy place. You can be here for a moment, maybe cross-legged or another way. If you feel stuck or rigid, feel free to add a bit of a sway side to side or round and round. Let yourself sway in toward stillness. So just like the rock, the ripples rolling out, and then simply disappearing one by one. leaving you nice and fresh and calm. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. All right. I hope you feel something. I hope you feel nice, maybe a little bit more calm, more still and lively happening on the inside, a little softer on the outside. So let me know how that goes. Keep practicing, and I'll see you soon.